Then the day before departing for Norway, I stayed all day outside the embassy and waited for the news. When I was about to lose my hope, my visa has granted. When I arrived in Trondheim, it felt like do not stop trying in what you believed in. ICS was once in a lifetime opportunity for me to meet with such highly recognized energy specialists with whom my conversations had happened in friendly manners. We talked about my country's position on energy and how it can be improved. I like most about the diversity of ideas from different countries all over the world and the ICS alumni success on their projects. I am currently doing my post-graduation on development economics and writing a few ideas to change the perspectives on energy scenarios in Bangladesh. Thank you.